Marami nagsasabi it's a different team without Alyssa Valdez. But they won without Alyssa Valdez suiting up in their first game. But today nakikita natin kasama nga naka-uniform si Alyssa Valdez.
That's right. And actually, I was talking to the people kanina no, dun sa dugout sa team nila and some of their managers. It looks like itong si Alyssa Valdez, as much as possible, kung pwedeng hindi pa laruin, ganun pa rin to get that much
Nakangiti,
rest.
oh.
Nakangiti. Kasi may posibilidad na malaruin siya ngayong araw na to. At I'm sure kahit na pagod din, excited din maglaro.
Always excited to watch.
And playing libero, number 1, Jamie La Vittoria. Head coach, Mr. Anusorn Bundit.
You by TLDPO Ultra Fast LTE for a happy family. Ultra Fast LTE.
Yan ang masayang team, di ba? Ano naman yung Ateneo.
Katuwa. Oh, oops. Santa Rita blocked.
Maybe later, pwede mag-report si Trish about the condition of it si Ella De Jesus. She's here now.
Correct.
So,
Ito.
Cheering squad, di ba?
Yung dulo.
May choreography.
Pointing at. But of course, bakit nahihiyawanan? Maglalaro na. Itong si Alyssa Valdez for the Ateneo Lady Eagles. They are ahead by 2-0. At this is how deep yung roster is para dito kay Coach Ty Bundit. Kasama nga, hindi pa naglalaro. Kulang-kulang pa. Wala yung kanilang top setter. Ella De Jesus is also sitting out this second game for the Lady Eagles sa Pilipinas.
And you know, this time around, it's not just all about the looks. It's really about the skills. Because people understand how this game
Which should be the case. And case in point, Alyssa Valdez from the back. Scoring, pushing. And once again, excellent read on the defense.
Ayan, mga banners.
Iba eh.
Iba yun. Mahirap yun. Lalo na kapag may pressure.
But it's easy to say when you're just watching or probably sometimes when you're coaching. Pero para sa players, kagat-ipin yan eh.
Ikaw kaya, pag-enjoy.
Labas ugat, ika nga. And Ateneo comes out firing. Ahumiro comes out smoking and scoring.
Nadidistract din daw sila sa crowd. Kaya sabi ni Coach, kung yun lang naman ang dahilan, isipin ninyo na para sa atin ang mga hiyaw. Back to you guys.
I-re-channel mo nga naman. Paske yung palakpak, nandun sa puti. Isipin mo para sa'yo.
Para naman yun.
Salamat po.
Isa lang masasabi ko, ang galing ng memory ni Trisha. Na-memorize niya kung ano yung tawag sa condition ni Ella De Jesus. Mahaba yun
Mahaba yun. Basta alam ko, na-irritate yung mata ni Ella.
Yun din yung nakuha ko.
I hope that Ella recovers soon para makabalik na siya sa live action. This ultra fast spike is brought to you by PL Dome. Dissipating because of that service error. The official ball of the Shirkies V-League is Mikasa. Alyssa Valdez. Sharp serve. Villegas unmarked. Villegas does not score.
Blocker there, sayang.
Bukas na bukas. Tama yung binanggit mo kanina. Merong intimidation factor eh.
Iba talaga eh. But if you know you're playing...
I'm sure this is not the way the ladies tags practice and play. Alam yan ni Coach Clint Malaso. Kaya kunot na yun noon ni Coach Tan. Teresa Sato. Tan. Going to Alyssa at the back.
Si Alyssa, pinupwesto-pwesto lang, no? But...
placing lang sa kanya eh.
Placing na lang. Pero lumabas yung isa na yun.
13. Teresa Sato going to Labiano. Lim this time much more ready. Oops. Halos magbanggaan si Alyssa at Gakiliana. 15 points for San Sebastian as Guillermo prepares to serve.
And ganun pa rin to get that much
Nakangiti,
rest. Nakangiti. Kasi may posibilidad na malaruin siya ngayong araw na to.